Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, swinging your legs out of bed, and stepping onto the floor without that familiar, throbbing ache in your knees. For millions managing arthritis, that sounds like a distant dream. But what if the missing piece to your pain relief routine isn't a stronger prescription, but a simple change to what's inside your kitchen bowl? Systemic inflammation is one of the key factors behind joint damage and daily stiffness. While medication has its place, supporting your body through a healthy, anti-inflammatory diet is one of the most effective, science-backed ways to promote overall joint health. In this video, we're sharing 5 incredibly easy, delicious, and comforting anti-inflammatory soups that may help support joint health and ease arthritis-related discomfort as part of a balanced diet. We're not talking about boring health food here. These rich, flavorful, budget-friendly recipes are packed with naturally occurring compounds, such as curcumin, gingerol, and lycopene, that have been studied for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helping support healthy joints and overall well-being. Whether you are dealing with joint pain or simply want to support your joint health and mobility as you age, these 5 recipes are a great addition to your weekly meal plan. Before we stir up our very first recipe, take a quick second to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. If you're ready to take a more active role in supporting your health and discover how delicious healthy eating can be, give this video a thumbs up right now. Let's head to the stove and look at soup number 1. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the deeply soothing turmeric ginger chicken soup. This recipe is the ultimate comfort food, making it an excellent choice for anyone dealing with the daily discomfort of arthritis. Both turmeric and ginger are well known for their natural anti-inflammatory properties. When combined in a hearty homemade chicken broth, they create a nourishing, nutrient-rich meal that may help support joint health and reduce inflammation as part of a balanced diet. Let's talk about why these ingredients work so well together. This nourishing soup features lean chicken, fresh ginger, garlic, carrots, and turmeric. Chicken is an excellent source of lean protein, which is essential for repairing body tissues and maintaining muscle strength, both of which are important for supporting healthy joints and staying active with arthritis. Ginger, often valued for its long history of use in traditional cooking and wellness, contains natural bioactive compounds that have been studied for their anti-inflammatory properties and may help support joint comfort. Then we have our star ingredient, turmeric. Its beautiful golden yellow color comes from curcumin, a well-known natural compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that has been studied for its potential role in supporting joint health. To bring this soup to life, start by heating a splash of olive oil in a large pot. Add finely minced garlic, freshly grated ginger, and ground turmeric, sautéing them gently until they release their rich, aromatic fragrance. Next, toss in sliced carrots and celery, which add essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to the soup. Now, add your chicken and let it simmer until it is tender and easy to shred, allowing its rich flavor to blend into the broth. Season with a pinch of sea salt and cracked black pepper, and serve it warm. A warm bowl of soup can be especially comforting, and pairing it with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa creates an even more satisfying, balanced meal. Our second recipe is a wholesome lentil soup with spinach. If you're looking for a plant-based option that is both filling and nourishing, this is a fantastic choice. Lentils create a hearty base for this soup because they are naturally rich in dietary fiber, plant-based protein, and essential nutrients. When you add fresh spinach, you also boost the soup with magnesium, an important mineral that supports many normal body functions, including muscle and nerve function, while contributing to overall health. The core ingredient, lentils, contains naturally occurring antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. As an excellent source of plant-based protein, they also help support tissue repair and muscle maintenance. In addition, lentils have a low glycemic index, meaning they help promote steadier blood sugar levels, which may support the body's normal inflammatory response. Spinach brings its own impressive nutritional benefits to the table. Rich in vitamins A and C, along with magnesium and other beneficial nutrients, it helps support overall health and provides antioxidant protection. Vitamin C is especially important because it plays a key role in collagen production, which helps maintain healthy cartilage and supports normal joint function. Preparation is straightforward and begins by sautéing diced onions, garlic, and carrots in a touch of olive oil. Garlic contains allicin, a natural compound that has been studied for its potential anti-inflammatory properties, while onions provide antioxidants that help protect your cells from oxidative stress. Once softened, add your rinsed lentils, vegetable broth, and diced tomatoes to create a rich, flavorful base. Let everything simmer until the lentils are perfectly tender. Right before turning off the heat, stir in a few handfuls of fresh spinach leaves, allowing them to wilt gently while preserving their vibrant color and nutrients. This soup can be enjoyed on its own or served with a slice of whole grain bread for extra fiber. It's a comforting, nutrient-dense meal that can be a delicious addition to an overall healthy, balanced diet. At number 3, we have a velvety and creamy butternut squash soup. This dish is the perfect example of healthy comfort food and a wonderful choice for anyone looking to enjoy a nourishing, satisfying meal. The foundation of this soup is butternut squash, a naturally sweet and nutritious winter squash that is rich in beta-carotene. This vibrant orange pigment has antioxidant properties that help protect cells from oxidative stress, while vitamins A and C support overall health and a healthy immune system. The beta-carotene found in butternut squash acts as an antioxidant, helping protect cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress may contribute to joint damage and inflammation over time. Butternut squash also provides a good source of fiber, which helps support steady blood sugar levels as part of a balanced diet. To complement the squash, we add onions, carrots, and garlic, ingredients that are naturally rich in beneficial nutrients and antioxidants. Garlic, in particular, contains compounds that have been studied for their potential anti-inflammatory properties, making it a flavorful addition to this nourishing soup. To prepare this silky soup, start by sautéing chopped onions and garlic in olive oil until they are soft and translucent, allowing their rich aromas to develop. Next, add the cubed butternut squash and carrots, followed by vegetable broth. Let the mixture simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the vegetables are fork tender. Using an immersion blender, puree the soup until it reaches a smooth, creamy consistency. There's no need for heavy dairy. The natural texture of the squash creates a rich and velvety soup on its own. For a gentle touch of warmth, stir in a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg, then season with salt and pepper to taste. This naturally vegan, dairy-free, and gluten-free soup is a comforting, nutrient-rich meal that fits well into a healthy lifestyle. Next up at number 4 is a classic favorite, tomato basil soup. This timeless, comforting dish is both satisfying and nutritious. Tomatoes, the star ingredient in this recipe, are naturally rich in lycopene, a well-known antioxidant that has been studied for its potential role in supporting overall health and helping protect cells from oxidative stress. Cooking tomatoes makes lycopene easier for your body to absorb, and they also provide vitamins C and E, which help support healthy cells. As we mentioned earlier, vitamin C plays an important role in collagen production, which helps maintain healthy cartilage and supports normal joint function. Pairing tomatoes with fresh basil adds even more flavor and nutrition. Basil contains naturally occurring compounds, including eugenol, which has been studied for its potential anti-inflammatory properties, making it a flavorful addition to this comforting soup. To cook this classic, begin by warming garlic and onions in olive oil to build a flavorful base. Next, add fresh or high-quality canned tomatoes along with vegetable or chicken broth. Bring it to a gentle simmer for about 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to fully develop. Once cooked, use a blender to puree the soup until it is completely smooth. Finally, stir in a generous handful of chopped fresh basil leaves, allowing the heat of the soup to release its aroma and flavor. Season to taste with salt and pepper and serve hot. It's a light, refreshing, and satisfying soup that makes a great option for a balanced meal. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the vibrant and satisfying sweet potato and black bean soup. This dish is a nutrient-rich meal option, making it a great choice for those looking to support their overall health. Sweet potatoes are a good source of beta-carotene, vitamin C, and potassium, which contribute to overall wellness and support normal immune function. Their complex carbohydrates and fiber provide steady energy and help support balanced blood sugar levels as part of a healthy diet. Black beans add a hearty texture and balance to this soup. They are a good source of plant-based protein and fiber, which helps support overall nutrition and satiety. Black beans also contain naturally occurring antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which give them their dark color and help protect cells from oxidative stress. Together, sweet potatoes and black beans provide a balanced combination of complex carbohydrates, plant protein, and fiber. To get this hearty soup started, sauté finely chopped onions and garlic in a splash of olive oil. Once they are aromatic and soft, add diced sweet potatoes, rinsed black beans, and vegetable broth to the pot. Cover and let it simmer gently for about 30 minutes, allowing the sweet potatoes to become tender and the flavors to blend well. To enhance the flavor, stir in warming spices like cumin, chili powder, and a touch of smoked paprika. Just before serving, turn off the heat and squeeze in fresh lime juice. The acidity of the lime helps balance the natural sweetness of the sweet potatoes. This filling, well-balanced meal provides steady energy and makes a satisfying addition to a healthy diet. And there you have it, 5 simple, delicious, and nourishing soups made with naturally nutrient-rich ingredients that may help support overall health and comfort. Whether you are currently dealing with joint discomfort or simply want to enjoy wholesome, comforting meals, these recipes can be a great addition to your weekly routine. We've walked through the turmeric ginger chicken soup, the lentil spinach soup, the creamy butternut squash soup, the classic tomato basil soup, and the sweet potato black bean soup. Each recipe uses simple, accessible ingredients that you can easily find at your local grocery store or already in your kitchen. If you are looking for a natural and enjoyable way to support your overall well-being, you may want to give these recipes a try. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We truly hope these recipes inspire you to get into the kitchen and prepare some comforting meals. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider liking the video and sharing it with or family who may find it useful. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future health-related content. We would love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and let us know which soup you would like to try first. Thank you again for joining us. Take care, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.